Alright guys, I'm starting the video here for the full-size helmets. I've tagged, texted, and messaged everyone. Mike ended up taking the last 14, so we don't have to do any more fillers. So we'll just focus on the fillers for the baseball mixer now. There is 3 full-size Tri-Start autographed football helmets here. We're going to go with 32 random NFL teams, and as usual, if it's not an NFL team on the helmet, then first we go to the current team, and then we go to majority of career, and then after that we make deals, I guess, because we've had issues in the past. So we'll just kind of try to figure it out, but that's the gist of it. If we get a multi-signature helmet, we'll random it between those people or make a deal. If we get a college helmet, it'll go to their current team first, or majority of career second. All right, let's go ahead and get you guys some teams. Dice roll for both. Reroll if we get snake eyes, but we got an 8. 8 times on the dice. Here is the names. All the spots in the break. William has 3. Mike then has 6. Papa 2. Ryan K 1. Matt J. Sean. Mike. Matt J 2. William. And then Mike has the last 14. That's 32. I'm going to go 8 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 the final time. On 8. That's the list. Mike at the top and bottom. On over to the NFL teams that I need to grab a list of. Okay. 49ers down to the Vikings. We're going 8 times. We'll match them up. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. On 8. I got the Bucks at the bottom. Niners are up top. Oh, it doesn't look like it's fitting on the screen there. Hang on. Shoot. Fit. Alright, so below that, there's 2 more teams. I'll just can't figure this out right now, so I'm just going to do it this way. That's good enough for now. I don't know. The screen size is a little off, and I don't feel like messing with it right now. Oh, maybe you're not, dude. Shoot. Sorry. I assumed you are. Maybe you're in the mix. Maybe you're only in the baseball mixer. I'll double check because I hope I didn't screw up. Let's see. Do you recall having any spots? Because I just went through the list. So maybe you're only in the mixer. You would have got spots from the filler, but I think let's just double check. All right. So I started with 32 spots. William bought 3, that put us at 29. Mike took 6, that put us at 23 left. After that, I had a filler where Papa got both, put us at 21 left. Then I had another filler that put us at 19 left, and Ryan and Matt got those 2. And then a filler for Elite Football that put us at 17 left. Sean and Mike got those. Matt J took 2 full spots, takes us to 15 left. William just got the spot from the Donruss filler, takes us to 14 left, and then Mike T took the last 14. So the list is correct. I did text you because I assumed you were in it, so I apologize for that, but at least I didn't mess it up. So no, you are not in this, but you do have some spots in the baseball mixer from multiple fillers, I believe. That one still has 14 left, but you have 1 from a filler there, 2 more from a filler, so that's 3 spots, and then another one from Elite, that's 4 spots, and then you just picked up the Donruss spot. You actually have 5 spots in the baseball mixer, so that makes sense. Those are $100 spots, so that's $500 worth. Yeah, I know. Me neither, dude. Trust me. I try to do one memorabilia break, one sport break, and then fillers to fill them both. But it's died out so much that I don't know that that's a good idea anymore. I was trying to get the mem in every once in a while, so I think we'll just do one filler and one mem break here and there. I mean, we'll do a mem break here and there. We'll do one sport card break, and then we'll just do fillers to fill that, and then every once in a while we'll throw some mem stuff in. All right, I'm gonna turn this camera around. I got the teams up there. We got 3 helmets here. Let's go ahead and see. My feed is definitely choppy. It's probably the computer's getting old. I probably got too much stuff going on it right now. So if it's choppy on your end, I apologize. I just got to get through these 3 helmets. All right. Technical difficulties. All right, these have been sitting downstairs for a while. So let's see what has been marinating in here. Here is the sales sheet. Let's take a look at the first one. Facing that way. Speed replica. All right, there we go. Pretty nice one. We have a full-size Buffalo Bills helmet, and the autograph is Jim Kelly. Jim Kelly right there for the Buffalo Bills. That is Mikey T. Mike Tyson with a nice full-size autographed Jim Kelly helmet right here. TriStar Authentic is the authentication. Jim Kelly is 1990, 91, 92, and 93 AFC champion. 5-time Pro Bowl selection and a 3-time All-Pro. The only QB to lead his team to 4 consecutive Super Bowls. That's actually insane when you think about it. Bill's career passing yards leader with 35,467. 2-time USFL All-League Team and 84 USFL MVP. 84 USFL Rookie of the Year. USFL All-Time Team. 85 USFL Most Outstanding Quarterback. Played collegiate football at the University of Miami. He is in the Hall of Fame in 2002. Congrats, Mike T. Jim Kelly is your first helmet there. Pretty good one. We got 2 left. Is it choppy on your guys' end? Because it is here, but I can't do nothing about it right now. It'll take me too long to figure it out. I got more work to do and laundry to do. Alright, I think I opened this one upside down. Did. Okay, it's an easy one. He only played for one team in the NFL. Oklahoma Sooners. Oklahoma Sooners is the helmet. Full size autograph. Oklahoma Sooners helmet with the inscription of the 78 Heisman winner and his number there, number 28, is Billy Sims. Billy Sims only played for the Detroit Lions for a few years in the NFL, 80 to 84. Didn't play anywhere else, so that makes it easy. Mike T picking up the second helmet. Mike has 20 of the 32 spots, so not surprising that he grabbed 2. In fact, I was a little worried he didn't get any with that many spots. I wouldn't feel great about that. So Billy Sims played collegiate football at the University of Oklahoma, 1978 Heisman Trophy winner, 2-time consensus All-American, 1980 NFL Draft #1 overall pick. Didn't get much use out of him, but I guess he was good for a few years. 3-time Pro Bowl selection, 1980 second team All-Pro, 80 Offensive Rookie of the Year, 81 first team All-Pro, and a College Football Hall of Fame inductee in 1995. So the first one was Jim Kelly, Buffalo Bills. Second one here. With 20 slots, I know that would not be fun. Alright, looks like another TriStar Authentic. And that one is going to my teeth. Congrats, Mike. Alright. And we have one more to show you guys. So the only current break we have up is the $100 baseball mixer. It is going to be a fun one. If you're not in it, take some full spots. If you are in it, I appreciate it, and we will post another filler after this. I'll put a filler up so that we can get that baseball mixer done. All the boxes are sitting right here. Pretty cool. Some Bowman, different years, some Heritage, and some Topps Chrome and different stuff. So it should be a fun little mixer. We're just going to focus on that and some fillers for the time being. Last helmet. Good luck. We got a current player here and a current helmet. Pretty good one. It is a running back. And part of the helmet came off in the... Oh my God. plastic there. Part of the thing stuck on there. All right, here it is. The Colts running back, Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. And who gets the last one? Mike T picking up all 3 helmets. Congrats, Mike. Sorry, everybody else. Yeah, I don't want to pack these. You're right. 3 of them in one box. How am I going to do that? Yeah. All right. Well, there you go, man. That is Jonathan Taylor for the Colts on the 3rd one. Where do you store all these things, dude? Aren't you kind of running out of room? You got lots of big helmets. You need a whole room for the amount of full-size helmets you got now. All right. That one's got a little loose piece on it. Let me just read Taylor's accolades. PFF All-American Team in 2019, 2-time Doak Walker Award in 18 and 19, 2-time unanimous first-team All-American in 18-19, AP Big Ten Newcomer of the Year in 17, 2-time Big Ten Running Back of the Year 18-19, Big Ten Freshman of the Year in 17, 3-time consensus first-team All-Big Ten in 17, 18, 19, all-time freshman season record 1977 yards, Pinstripe Bowl champion in 18, Orange Bowl champion in 17, and he's had a pretty solid career with the Colts. Doesn't have any information on him, but he's been pretty good, as you know from watching that. He's usually in the first round of fantasy every year, so that's a good thing. All right, that will do it for the football. Anybody want any personal boxes or have an idea for a filler to get the baseball mixer going? Lots of new stuff out. Elite Baseball just came out, 2026 Elite Baseball. I have some Donruss Baseball left. That also is new. Let me know if anybody wants anything before I get off. All right, guys, thanks for the breaks and stuff. I appreciate it. I'm going to sign off.